Ever feel small? Like really small? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because Earth, it's just a dot. And what's out there? It's beyond anything you've ever imagined. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Let's zoom out. Earth, our home. Every person you've ever known, every story ever told, happened right here on this little blue marble. But now, let's leave Earth's atmosphere. First stop, the moon. It's just 384,000 kilometers away. Sounds close, right? Well, if you drove non-stop at 100 kilometers per hour, you'd get there in about 160 days. Yeah. Road trip, anyone? From the moon, Earth looks like a fragile blue and green marble floating in darkness. Humbling, huh? Now let's aim higher. The sun. It's 150 million kilometers away. Light takes 8 minutes to get from the sun to Earth. You, in a commercial jet? That trip would take you 19 years. The sun, our life source, is just a speck in the vastness of even our solar system. Next stop, Mars, the red planet. At its closest, it's 54.6 million kilometers away. At its farthest, over 400 million kilometers. That's why missions to Mars are no joke. Oh, and if you were flying at plane speed, you'd need about 50 years to get there. Yep, pack some snacks.